Kia ora, my name's Taylor. I'm the pound keeper here at the Taupo District Council Animal Pound. So yeah, it's the best feeling, just being able to give a dog a second chance. Your dog is legally required to be registered from the age of 3 months onwards. So every year, 1st of July is when your registration is due. The registration fees help us as compliance officers to be out in the community. It also helps us here at the pound, maintaining it, keeping the dogs fed, and obviously keeping the pound sanitised, etc. The registration fee also helps us supply doggy poo bag dispensers for all our off-lead areas in town. You'd probably see them around, like, for example, Spa Park or Seacon Park, which are our big off-lead areas. The amnesty cages are here for the public for certain situations, like they find a dog roaming. If it's a dog owner wanting to surrender their dog, usually they'll also just pop them in here. Legally, we hold for 7 days. After 7 days, the dog becomes TDC property, and then we go into rehoming process. Some of the other services we do up here at the pound, we open on weekdays from 12 to 2, pound hour. Dog owners will usually come in and get their dog microchipped. Sometimes they even just come in to have a chat to see what puppies we've got, or dogs we have available for adoption. You probably would have received a new letter in the letterbox regards to the renewal of your registration. So please ensure you do get your dog registered by the 1st of July. If you have any complications or you just need a hand, get in touch with us or get in touch with the customer services team. More information on our website.